Have you heard of AI reasoning and reasoning models? Let's define and compare them because they're really fundamental AI topics now, and they are revolutionizing the way that we build models. And let's also talk about how NVIDIA fits into all of this. I'm Harper. I'm a machine learning engineer and educator with about 10 years of experience building these systems at Stanford, Meta, and a company acquired by NVIDIA. And I'm here today to talk to you about them, specifically reasoning models and AI reasoning. AI reasoning is when a model pauses and thinks before it gives you an answer. So it has this intermediary thinking step and produces tokens that are thinking tokens that are not actually its final output, as opposed to traditional AI models, which basically immediately give you an output as soon as you give it an input. One rule of thumb is that there's about 10 thinking tokens for every single output token generated. So if the model outputs 100 tokens, it'll have thought 1,000 tokens first. So this is called long thinking or test time scaling. Because of this thinking step, the model is generating many more tokens than it would have by simply outputting an answer. Reasoning models are models that are specifically designed to have a structured thinking process and then give you an output. So it actually breaks down questions into step-by-step solutions. So it's kind of like how you might think through a tricky decision or go through a math problem. The model is actually trained on step-by-step reasoning examples, and then at test time or inference time, the model demonstrates that reasoning as well. So that makes these models really useful for high-stakes tasks. So think legal decision-making or diagnoses, and also things like agentic AI. So AI agents acting or reasoning or planning independently.